So this is how you can create a website from AI for completely free. This is the best website builder that I know, and it's completely AI, completely free, so you don't have to do anything or pay for anything. So it's called ahoyo.2, and basically you're gonna want to, get your own address. So just type in whatever you want. I'm gonna type in a random word right here and tap on grab it. It's going to detect if there's already a website for it, and if there isn't, then you're going to see the screen. Now, all you're gonna have to do is just sign in with an account. So I'm gonna tap on sign in with Google to make things easier, or you could actually just type your stuff here if you want to. But signing in with Google is easier. There we go. After signing in, it's going to start loading. And now it's going to ask us what kind of website we want, like what best describes the website. I'm gonna put something like artist, and now we're gonna choose a color. But before that, of course, you're gonna want to do a slogan or a line about your business. Like, for example, I'm just gonna type in good artist. There we go. Tap on next. Do you blog or tweet? It doesn't matter, just tap on yes or no. I'm gonna tap on no for now. Selling products. If you want to sell products, tap on yes. But if you don't, just simply tap on no. Do you offer any services? Once again, yes or no, it's purely up to you. Do you want to add a welcome page? If you want the customers to be welcomed by like saying hello or something like that, tap on yes. I'm just going to tap on no to make things easier. And now our page is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on check it out. And as you can see, this is our page right here. We artist page because that's what I set the theme to be. And yeah, it's pretty good. As you can see, we have our own address, we have our own website, and there is our name. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Ahoya.2, and it's really simple to make free AI websites. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.